TAA Design's architectural project, the Flying Block, seeks to enhance the living conditions of urban high-rise complexes. The innovative concept involves creating spacious, flying greenery blocks ranging from 2 to 3.5 meters in width. These blocks serve as outdoor recreational areas, providing a natural and relaxing experience for residents after a long day at work in the nearby industrial park. Situated in Phu My town, Vietnam, which boasts the highest concentration of industrial parks in the Ba Ria Vung Tau province, the Flying Block is designed to cater to the needs of professionals living and working in the area. With heavy industrial factories and container ports in close proximity, the project aims to significantly improve the overall living environment for its inhabitants. To enhance ventilation, the layout consists of 4 blocks, with the traffic lane serving as a gap for natural airflow. The extended blocks and large trees work together to provide shade for the building's surface. The design concept known as the Flying Block strives to enhance the living conditions of high-rise complexes situated in urban areas.